guys, welcome to Happy Muncher. Today is a beautiful and bright day here in Batumi and I'm super hungry. I'm headed down to McDonald's. It's very close to where I'm staying and I'm just gonna try out some of the food that I find different from all the McDonald's I've had before. So come along with me, let us go. So I was just walking and I came across this sculpture here. It says it's a sculpture that symbolizes self-sacrifice and freedom for the independence of Georgia. Look how beautiful this city is, guys. So one of the stores that they have here is Spa. This is very popular in my country. It's a popular supermarket store. But this area is so beautiful, guys.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
So guys, I am literally here by McDonald's and I just want to share the building of McDonald's from outside. This is the most coolest building I've ever seen. It's one of the landmarks of Batumi, because when you're thinking of Batumi, you're thinking of all these cool buildings. So cool, right? Have a drive-through, but you can go inside. So dope, right? So on the other side, guys, in front here at the tip of this building, underneath is a petrol station. So they designed it strategically. I just love it so much. It's very unique. And I think it's the coolest McDonald's I've ever seen. So guys, what do you think this building looks like? I have no clue. But it looks like, to me, it looks like a spaceship. But yeah, something like that. It looks so much like a spaceship. Woohoo! The spaceship of Batumi, guys. This definitely looks like a spaceship. I don't know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think this looks like. It's a really cool building, to be honest with you. And they have these machines, guys, where you have to order, then you can pay with your card here and then collect your order. It's so cool. So let's see what I haven't eaten before. Let's start with the burger. I've never had a Royal Gusto chicken. Never heard of that. I'm gonna take it as a meal with Coca-Cola. So they have different options of McFlurry. I've had Oreo McFlurry, this one, but I've never had these other options. This is my first time to see them. So I'm gonna go with the cherry McFlurry. Yeah, that's it. So this is inside the McDonald's. Upstairs there's a garden outside. There's an indoor and outdoor sitting. Outside is a beautiful garden, so cool. So one thing I love about this side, guys, the garden side, is that it's not roofed. There's no roofing, so it allows the fresh air to come in. So cool, right? So I decided to sit outside because I wanted to be close to the garden, and these flowers are so pretty. The breeze in here, it's a little bit different. It's fresh, and yeah, it's a cool space. Okay, let's see what I'm having. Fries, my favorite, and I have this chicken burger, gusto burger. I've never had this before. Yeah, it's got lettuce, tomato, chicken, cheese, and I'm having a Coca-Cola and cherry McFlurry. Let's dig in. This burger is so good, okay? And it's very moist. I love the jalapenos they put in here. It makes the burger taste even more delicious. The bread is very soft and very puffy. The chicken is really good. It's very tender. There's also bacon in here, the tomatoes and lettuce, and the sauce. Absolutely delicious. It's really good, guys. I love it. The sauce has like a little bit of a kick, a little bit spicy, and it's also tangy at the same time. This is absolutely good. It's really delicious. So yummy. Love it. Let's taste the famous McFlurry. This one is cherry, guys. I definitely can taste the cherry. They put it in here. So basically, it's a vanilla ice cream, and they put some cherry syrup with a bit of cherries in here. So delicious. Very smooth, very milky, and it's not too sweet, guys. It's not overwhelming. It's just so delicious. It just melts in the mouth. After you're done, you clean up after yourself, guys. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into Happy Muncher. That's it from me today, and I will see you on my next video. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Si es para ti, dime amanecer.